in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here and smoking weed. Told him gon' take a shot. I'm so high in here and smoking weed. Told him gon' take a shot. I'm so high in here and smoking weed. Told him gon' take a shot.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video. We're here with Elfin Hair. Shout out to them. They sent me 2 packs 18-inch of this Burmese curly crochet braiding hair extension, and y'all know the miracle knots have been popping. This is 145 grams, so it's more than enough for your hair. If you know, now you know. If you didn't know, your girl is a lot girly now. At the time I was 6 months into my journey, I did not give myself a retwist for this hairstyle, but as you guys can see, this is the state of my locks. I do love them, and just to answer any questions, I have 62 locks in my head. Now let's get into how we're gonna do this. So I had did various methods with my locks since I am in my starter lock phase still. When I started my lock journey, I had did the 2-strand method, and being that my hair is soft still, you guys can see like I still have the curly ends at the end of my locks. So instead of leaving that out as is, I just went ahead and added the extension to my hair, braided it in, and I braided it down until my hair was no more. So there was still going to be the curly hair, but I just braided it in. Now there is going to be a clip where I'm showing you that I do crochet in another piece into my lock, and it's literally just in the space of the 2-strand because I don't really want to damage it. I am going to just lightly retwist the root very quickly and clip it, and then I'm going to go ahead and crochet in. So I really do like how these extensions have the little loop on it, or not the loop but the string. It just makes it so much easier to hook onto the crochet needle. But I pull the extension through my hair, and then I just go ahead, loop it, and then I pull both of the strands together, and that is literally all I'm going to be doing throughout the video. If you have locks in your hair, this is probably going to be one of the quickest hairstyles that you ever do because your hair is already pre-sectioned. And like I said, I did not give myself a retwist, but the fullness of the hair, being that it was just 2 packs, and I believe I was still on the very first pack, the hair looks amazing. Let's get a little bit more up close and personal. I did go ahead and I decided that I was going to add at least 2 to 3 strands to each of my locks because I wanted my hair to be as full as possible. And before I go ahead and crochet anything in, I just feel my lock just to see if I want to take that risk, because you do want to be gentle with your locks. So again, I did do various methods. So this is another method that you can do if you do not want to crochet a needle through your lock, just to protect the health and the integrity of it. So you would just wrap the extension around your lock, and then you're going to tie it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, and just like that. You can do that throughout your entire head of your locks, and then towards the bottom, as it was a little bit thicker, I did go ahead and crochet in the needle. We're gonna hook that extension to the crochet needle, close the hook, and then we're going to slide it through. And like the very first time when I showed you guys, I just put my finger through the loop, I grab the entire extension, pull the hair through, and I create like a little knot on my lock, and there you have it. And as you can see, that is 2 right there. And if I wanted to, I can just braid in that last bottom part at the end of my lock. Y'all, I feel like this is fairly easy, but I want to run it by with y'all one more time. So I always feel my lock first. That is step number 1. I feel my lock first. Remember, I am in my starter phase, and then I decide what method I want to go. Clearly I chose the wrap around the lock, or the ring around the lock. Okay, and we're just gonna tie a little knot. Then I added another extension and I chose the same method. I just went ahead and tied the knot around, or tied the extension around the lock. I didn't crochet it through because that lock is a little thin. As you can see, it's like my little baby lock. I gotta be gentle. Then I added one more extension onto my lock, and it's literally the same method. I did the same method throughout the entire lock, but I wanted that lock to be full because I wanted that fullness in the front of my face as well. I feel like one thing that people fail to realize, like, this is your hair, have fun with it and do it. So I just decided to flip my hair to see where I can add in more extensions because I wanted my hair to look nice. So this is me figuring out, like, or deciding, hey, I want to braid in an extension at the end of my lock because I don't want any of my curly pieces to stick out. I just want everything to be very well blended. So I'm going to show you guys the braiding technique. So I just split my hair into two at the end, and then I'm going to create 3 pieces and I'm going to braid it down. I hope that was easy to understand because I'm not the best explainer. I'm more of a visual learner, but I'm just going to braid down until you no longer see my hair. Okay, so now when I flip my hair, as you guys can see, you no longer see my curly hair out. It's just the extension, and it looks so good. So good. I was loving the whole process the entire time. I kid y'all not, this is all just from one bundle, y'all. Like, look how full my hair looks. I'm just now getting ready to tap into the second bundle. I love how full my hair looks, how blended it looks, and my hair at the ends, they're a little bit lighter brown, but I like the highlight effect that it had. But like, look, even without a retwist, just the fullness made my hair look good. I was just like, yeah, this is the hair for the summer and for the springtime. Okay. Y'all need to tap in with Elfin Hair. I'm not even joking. Full head is complete. Like, look at it, y'all. You can't tell me I have locks with this hair. Okay, there was a few pieces like the one on the back right there that I needed to add or braid hair at the end, but eventually I'll fix it. But this is probably my favorite part of doing my hair at any given time. Is just the customization, grabbing your shears, feathering out the hair, creating some layers, adding some pizzazz, a little personality, a little flair, if you will. After using the shears on my hair, we're gonna go in with the mousse. This is my mousse choice. It is As I Am, the rosemary one. That's just the one that I had at the moment. And we're also going to use their leave-in or water conditioner, and I'm going to spray my hair. I'm going to spray my locks, and I'm going to spray these extensions because it is human hair. It is the Burmese curly, and you want to take care of your extensions just like you would take care of your tresses. You can see the difference on this side, the fully wet versus dry. So as you guys can see, like, this hair gets very voluminous, whichever word is the correct word. Y'all take it, y'all run with it, okay? But it does have a lot of volume, but you can get that volume by adding 2 to 3 of the extensions on your lock. Okay, let's go in with this mousse. Be generous with the mousse, don't be scared. Okay, this is what's going to set and mold the top portion of your hair. Okay, you want it to look nice, you want it to look clean, all of the above. I did go ahead and run some down my locks and retwisted just a little bit of the front, like a little light retwist, so that it can look uniform and clean. And boom, after letting your hair dry up a little bit and your hair sets, you do your edges, pop on a little makeup, make yourself feel good because you're just a girl. And you're gonna look like the baddest thing walking, okay? Like, look at this hair, look how full it looks, y'all. 2 bundles, and I still had some clips left over of the extensions. Oh my god, like, my hair looks so full, so nice. This was probably one of my most favorite hairstyles with my locks. and it's so easy to do. It took me about 2.5 hours to get done, and this is without a full-on retwist, y'all. Not even a full-on retwist. I wore this hair, I promise you, for about a month and a half because I did not want to take it out. And I wish I had a video showing y'all how I took them out, but I don't, unfortunately. But it was super duper easy. So if y'all want some good quality hair extensions for y'all miracle knots, make sure y'all tap in with Elfin Hair. The link is down in the description box. And let's be fine for the summer, okay? If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. If y'all would like to see more hair videos, y'all want me to bring the hair videos back, comment down the lip emoji, the lip bite emoji to be exact, because that's my favorite emoji. But y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And as always, I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. And until the next one, peace.
Remember when we fell in love, we were young and innocent then. Do you remember how it all began?